Hi, this is Scott Moore from EndPoint IoT, and this video is to show you how to install the CoAP protocol for LoadRunner. This is based on version 12.55. It has been tested as far back as 12.50 with no patches. However, the runtime settings will not work from the GUI side, but that's not really a problem because you can still get to that programmatically in the script view. This is using a beta version of LoadRunner 12.55, but it should work exactly the same for general release. So you can see that I've got the MSI already downloaded, and I have local admin privileges, and that's the way I've logged in. If you don't have that, you're going to want to right-click and install as administrator. This is a very small MSI file that's less than 1 meg in size, or close to a meg in size. Should be a very straightforward wizard that you use to install this. So once you see this pop up to the setup wizard, you just click on next, accept the license agreement, click next, and choose the directory that you want to install in. The default should be fine. Now we're ready to actually install the files. Now, depending on the UAC controls that you have in place for your Windows operating system, you may get this pop-up screen. You may not, and it may go ahead and install it just like you saw there. Optionally, you can look at the installation log if you'd like to see it at the end. For this purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that, so we're going to select Finish. That's really all there is to it. Now, to verify that that's installed, all we have to do is go into the system settings under applications, and you'll see it's added the CoAP protocol for LoadRunner, and you'll see it's very small in size. Let's open up VUGen. After we've installed the CoAP protocol, we're going to see that the CoAP protocol is now in the listing of available protocols for us. So let's do that. We're going to create a new script, and now you'll see a new icon with the constrained application protocol is now available. We'll just go ahead and create this. The CoAP protocol is not a record and replay script like you might be familiar with if you're doing web scripts or some of the other protocols. This is what we would refer to as a template script, much like a C template, JMS, or other protocols that might be like this that don't require recording. So based on the nature of how CoAP is actually used, we've already set up a template in here of code where you simply take out what you don't need, uncomment what you want to use, make modifications from here. So this is really your starting point. So that's how you install the CoAP protocol for LoadRunner version 12.55. Check out the rest of our videos on our EndPoint IoT YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe, where you can see how to use the CoAP protocol in real-world situations to test the Internet of Things platforms and applications so that we can make sure that they scale and they perform like they should. Thanks for watching.